How to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. So if you want to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account, then first you need to open up your YouTube on your browser, the browser that you're comfortable on. And you need to go with the profile, which is on the top right. Go with YouTube Studio. Once you're under YouTube Studio, you need to go with the left side and click on Settings. Go with Permissions. Under Permissions, as you can see that here, you will have Manage Permissions option. You just need simply go with Manage Permissions. And it might ask you to enter your password of your Google account or your YouTube account. So verify. Once you verify, you need to go with Invite, which is on the top right. And here, you can enter the email address and the access. You can go with Editor, or Manager, or Editor Limited, Subtitle Editor, Viewer, or Viewer Limited. So you just need to simply enter the email address and the access, and then go with Done. And after that, the other person or the other account will receive an email to accept the invitation. And once you've accepted the invitation, then you'll be able to transfer your YouTube channel to your other Google account, or that Google account. Once you've added 2 accounts, then on the right side, you will be able to have an option to remove your previous account. But if you don't have 2 accounts right here, 2 or 3 accounts, then you won't have an option of transfer. So make sure that you've invited 1 or 2 persons, or your previous account and then your new account or your new Gmail. And once you've invited, once you've accepted, then you'll be able to transfer your channel to another account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.